Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. It is day 11 of my 12 days of Christmas. And this is completely, it's not a DIY, it's nothing to put together. It is just a fun game that I played at my online customer Christmas party and team party. And it was so much fun that I wanted to share it with you. So let me go ahead and show you. Now, we all took a piece of paper and we had cookie decorating. So let's say this was a larger piece of paper and everybody had a pen. And what we had to do, now I am keeping my eyes closed for this, but what you're going to do is you're going to put it on top of your head and then you're going to draw on top of your head. So what you want to do is, again, I'm keeping my eyes closed. So I'm feeling my paper and we're going to make a gingerbread man. We know he has some arms. Oh, and a couple legs. Another arm. And then somewhere up here is his head. Now I took my pen off, so I have no idea where anything is, but I know I want to give him some eyes. So I kind of feel where it's going to go. And I'm going to give him one eye there. And another eye there, and then I'm going to give him a nice mouth. And then they have those squigglies on their arms, so I'm going to give him, I think right about there, one squiggly, two squigglies, one squiggly, two squigglies, and then again on his feet. Oh, and then some little buttons going down the middle of him. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open my eyes and we're going to see. This was my last cookie. And let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness. I thought he was going to be much bigger. But look how fun and cute these little gingerbread guys are. How did I go off the paper? I definitely thought his feet were going to be much bigger. But there we go. Oh, there's the top of his head. That's where I started. So funny. But it is such a fun game. You guys, I would love to see it. Even if you just do it by yourself, it's tons of fun. This is making me laugh. And if you want to make it harder, use colors. Like have crayons with, you know, a gingerbread color. And then maybe give him some little rosy cheeks or something like that. But it could be so much fun. And I just wanted to tell you about that cute little idea. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you guys play this, I would love to see it. Send me a picture of your decorated cookies. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!